Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the advantages of Python over other programming languages. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I would like to say thank you so much to edoxy.com for providing us this material. Advantages of Python over other programming languages. Python is a language embraced by a large community of coders for its many features. Many businesses choose Python as the main programming language. Let's find out these advantages of Python and the reasons why most developers love Python. We have here simple. It's free, it's easy to use, highly compatible, object-oriented, it has lots of libraries, it has built-in data structures, it's widely applicable, it increases speed and productivity, and most likely, it's easy to learn. Python is a simple language. Python is an easily readable and simple to understand language for developers who have never written a code in it. As a result, the community of Python users are continuously evolving and growing. There are many scholars and professors among the Python users community so that when a problem occurs, the developer can focus on it and take help from others in the community without any worries about language complexity. Python is free. Python is a programming language which is free of charge and open. The OSI approved open source license under which the Python is developed makes it a language free to use and distribute, including for commercial purposes. It will reduce your cost for maintenance while the developers can share, copy, and change it. As for the Python community, it provides a community to share knowledge with junior specialists. Easy to use. Programmers say that Python is easy to use, although when constructing mobile applications or games, C++ or any other typical scripting language might be easier to use. Python is better for easily building server-side applications, automating build systems, and collecting test data. Compatible with various platforms. Python is highly compatible and offers compatibility with various platforms. It is one of the major issues developers commonly face when they use other languages. The well-supported platforms of Python 3.7 and 2.7 include Linux, Windows Vista is newer for Python 3.7, Windows XP is newer for Python 2.7, FreeBSD 10 and newer. macOS Snow Leopard, macOS 10.6 2008 and newer. This feature of Python makes it favorable language for most users. Object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented programming and it is procedure-oriented. Object-oriented programming in the sense it utilizes objects that are based on data and functionality. The procedure-oriented feature offers to apply reusable pieces of code, have large libraries and frameworks. Python has a wide selection of libraries and frameworks, which is one of the greatest advantages of Python. From NumPy to TensorFlow, Python library is used for everything from data visualization, machine learning, data science, natural language processing, and complex data analysis. You might be interested to learn why is Python the dominant language for machine learning. Then read on it to find out. Having a large library with memory management and blank designs help boost Python developers' productivity. As a result, the developers can manage databases, documentation, web browsers, perform unit testing, and many more functions. Additionally, Python can be used for developing many tasks such as web and desktop apps development, developing complex calculation systems, life support, management systems, Internet of Things or IoT games, and more. The benefits of Python large libraries are most similar to having a wide selection of frameworks. It can get your projects off the ground while saving your time and effort. There are a variety of frameworks such as Pyramid, Twisted, Django, Falcon, and Flask. These libraries and frameworks help a developer a lot when coding, as he or she doesn't have to code manually. Built-in data structure. The built-in list of dictionary data structures of Python can be used to construct fast runtime data structure. Further, the dynamic high-level data typing option of Python helps reduce the needed length of support code. Wide application. Python language can be used for wide applications. It is extensively used by scientists, engineers, and mathematicians for all kinds of applications. Python is also useful for prototyping all kinds of experiments. It is used in many groundbreaking fields such as when producing animation for movies, developing GUI-based desktop applications, scientific and computational applications in machine learning, image processing, and graphic design applications. Various applications of Python include games, web frameworks and web applications, enterprise and business applications, operating system, language development, prototyping. Productivity and speed. The object-oriented design of Python provides enhanced process control capabilities. Python has strong integration and text processing capabilities, which contribute to the increase in its speed and productivity. These features of Python is considered a viable option for building complex multi-protocol network applications. Benefits of so I guess we have done already, no, with the advantages of Python over other programming language. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video, class. Guys, this is your friend Jake saying bye-bye for now.